Hello friends, welcome to my channel. We are going to use the tool which is free for initial use at the time of the recording of this video. We get some free credits to see its features. Name of that tool is Blue Willow. There are two ways to sign up, one using its own website and another is using the Discord app. Let's sign up using its own website, which is BlueWillow.ai. Let's try now for free. Let me enter the full name and email address. Let's click next. Let's click on accept invite to join the Discord app. Okay, so we need to create the password now. Let's enter email ID and password. Click on next. We need to verify the email address. You might not get an email right away. Sometimes it takes 5 to 10 minutes. I have opened my email already. It took 5 minutes for me. Continue to Discord. Okay, so my email is now verified. It has some rules to agree with. This is the Blue Willow AI user interface in the Discord app. I believe the user interface of other AI image generator tools like Midjourney AI and Leonardo AI will also look like this when you add them in the Discord. We need to answer some questions. Let's skip them. Okay, so it is just free for the first 25 images. Then we need to subscribe. Let's tick mark and next. Read and agree to server rules. Click finish. Discord has Blue Willow AI rookie servers, which is common and open to all so that people from across the world use it to create AI images. These beautiful images are created by giving a command along with the prompt. We are currently in the Rookie 24 server. Let's check other Rookie servers. Okay, so you must be a member for at least 10 minutes to send messages in this server. In the meantime, let's create our own server that will be our separate space where nobody can enter. Enter a server name. Imagine is a command to create an image. It is not appearing, which means our server is not activated yet. We can go through getting started guide to understand how it works. I have already gone through the guide. I waited for 10 minutes and currently I am in a rookie server. BlueWillow BOT should be available in order to use the imagine command. Let's try the imagine command now. Start typing /imagine and select the command that appears above and then write the prompt to create an image. I am asking here to create a beautiful bird image in pixel style 3D image. We have to wait for a few seconds to minutes depending on the server load. Since we are in the common server, we will have to find our image because others are also creating their images parallelly. Here we go. This is our image. Now let's move to our own server. Imagine command is not appearing. In order to activate our own server, we need to go to BlueWillow AI first and then click on BlueWillow BOT. Add a server, select our server, continue, authorize. Our server is ready to use now. We can see our server has BlueWillow BOT added now. We are now in our personal space where only we can create images. Let's give a prompt to create an image. Create a 3D image of Sachin Tendulkar in cricket uniform picture style. Wait for image to generate. Generates 4 versions of the image at a time: V1, V2, V3 and V4. When we click on any version, it generates another 4 version of that selected type. When you want to save an image, you need to upscale it. I have already tried upscaling U4, which I feel is not good. So upscaling U1 now. I have my image ready. Just click on the image, then right click and save. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Please comment and let me know if you have any questions. I will share the Google Meet link and connect to clarify if needed.